Is it just me, or has "my dog is sick" replaced "I'm sick" as the new employee excuse? I've never seen so many sick dogs in my life. Suddenly, every employee owns a Labrador with the stomach flu. And apparently, one tiny puke in the yard means they need to stay home for a full 24-hour hospice shift. Listen, I've had a lot of dogs. Love them. But not once did I ever call my boss and say, "Sorry, Max sneezed. Guess I can't paint today." So I gotta ask other business owners, is there some nationwide dog plague I don't know about? Or is it the new HR approved excuse?